Welcome participant to online training course on horticulture seed propagation with tissue cultura for African countries. Let me introduce you to Learning Management System Guideline. Access e-learning page with your browser such as Google Chrome or Mozilla Firefox by tipping elearningplembang.com. Then you will be directed to the start page of the website as in below. Prepare the username and password that has been given by the training organizers, then type your username in the username field and password in the password column. Then click the green arrow. If you have successfully logged in, the display will appear as follows. To select the training that you want to follow, click link OTC on horticulture seed propagation with tissue culture for African countries. The introduction contains information about the step of training activities to be followed. The training guideline contains information on how to access online training, videos how to access training, and the guideline conducting the training. Click on each guideline and video to download and play the guideline video. Pre-test is an early evaluation for participants before participating in training activities. The purpose of pre-test is to measure the understanding of the participants before join the training. There are 3 subject matters that participants must work on: are tissue culture media, result of tissue and explant, also. Then you will be directed to the question page as follow. Click on Attempt Quiz now to start doing the pre-test. Each subject matter only be done once a time with a processing time about 5 minutes. Click Start Attempt as shown in the image above, and the processing time will start immediately. The total questions for each subject matter are 10 questions. To answer a question, click on the circle next to the answer option. After finishing all the questions, click Finish Attempt. Then the display will appear as follows. Click Return to Attempt if you want to change the answer choices, or click Submit All and Finish to finish working on the pre-test. And you will be directed to the following screen. Click Finish Review and the value of the pre-test will shown. Click back to the course to return to the main training page. The same steps apply to working on the other subject matter pre-test. The participants can download subject matter and the presentation which provided in PDF format. In addition, the participants also have to download and listening the video from facility. Participants are required to take part in synchronous learning in the form of video streaming using Zoom meeting application and live chat for each course of the training. Participants can start a facilitator's evaluation questionnaire after attending the lesson. Click on the facilitator evaluation. Click Answer Questions. Then fill in the dialog box all the questions given. Click Submit your answers. When finished, fill in all. The participant can start a survey regarding the evaluation of learning management system implementation for online training method by click on the LMS evaluation. Click Answer Questions. Then answer all the questions there by click a circle button. Click Submit your answers. When finished, fill in all. After participated in all online learning, you are required to take a post-test. Select and click one by one of subject matter post-test. Preview quiz now. Then click Start Attempt. Click the circle to answer each question. Click Finish Attempt when you have finished answer all the questions. Click Submit All and finish when you are sure for all the answers you have chosen. Or click Return to Attempt if you are in doubt and want to change your answer. An action plan is the final session in this training that must be carried out to ensure the quality of the training. Therefore, all training participants must prepare an action plan that includes a plan of implementation activities after finishing this training. Click Download File of Action Plan Form. If you have finished fill the action plan form, click Upload Action Plan.